tired of endless email chains, scattered documents, and that nagging feeling that someone, somewhere, isn't on the same page? Do you find yourself juggling multiple communication apps, project trackers, and file-sharing services, wishing there was one central hub for everything? If you've ever felt the weight of project chaos, then you've likely touched upon the very problem that Basecamp was designed to solve. Basecamp isn't just another project management tool. It's a philosophy wrapped in software. It's about bringing clarity to complex collaborations, simplifying communication, and ensuring everyone knows what needs to be done, who's doing it, and when it's due. But who exactly is embracing this philosophy? Who are the teams and organizations that thrive on Basecamp's unique approach? That's what we're diving into today. Let's cut through the noise and unveil the diverse landscape of Basecamp users. You might be surprised at the variety of businesses and individuals who have found their organizational home in Basecamp. At its core, Basecamp is built for teams seeking simplicity and clarity. It's designed to minimize the hassle tax, the hidden costs of complexity, too many tools, and information overload. This focus on streamlining translates into a particularly strong appeal for certain segments. First up, and perhaps most prominently, are small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. Think companies with anywhere from 10 to 200 employees, though it's certainly used by smaller startups and larger departments within bigger organizations too. These businesses often don't have the sprawling, multi-layered hierarchies or the need for hyper-specialized, enterprise-grade features that complex project management suites offer. What they need is a straightforward, intuitive platform where everyone can easily collaborate, track progress, and share information without extensive training or a dedicated IT department for maintenance. Basecamp shines here. It offers a clear, all-in-one solution that reduces the need for multiple subscriptions and the associated learning curves. Within the SMB space, creative agencies are a massive user base for Basecamp. Marketing agencies, design studios, web development firms, and even video production houses find Basecamp invaluable. Why? Because creative projects often involve a lot of moving parts. Client feedback, multiple revisions, different team members contributing to various elements, and strict deadlines. Basecamp's message boards provide a centralized place for discussions, eliminating endless email threads. Its Docs and Files section keeps all assets organized, preventing version control nightmares. And its to-do lists with clear assignments and due dates ensure accountability and prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. The ability to easily invite clients to specific projects, controlling their access to avoid overwhelming them with internal details, is a huge win for these client-facing businesses. They can share updates, gather feedback, and demonstrate progress seamlessly, fostering better client relationships. Remote and distributed teams are another cornerstone of Basecamp's user community. In today's globalized workforce, teams are rarely all in one physical location. Basecamp was built with remote work in mind, long before it became the widespread norm. Its asynchronous communication tools, like message boards and automatic check-ins, allow team members across different time zones to stay updated and contribute at their convenience, reducing the pressure of real-time meetings. The centralized nature of all project information means that regardless of where team members are located, they have access to the same, up-to-date information, fostering transparency and cohesion. Beyond specific industries, Basecamp also attracts teams within larger organizations that value a simpler, more focused approach to their specific projects. While a massive corporation might use a more complex, enterprise-level system for their overall operations, individual departments or special project teams might opt for Basecamp to manage their day-to-day tasks. For instance, a marketing department within a large retail company might use Basecamp to manage a new product launch campaign, even if the wider company uses something else for HR or finance. This is due to Basecamp's ability to provide a clean, uncluttered workspace for focused work, away from the potential noise and complexity of a larger enterprise system. Freelancers and solopreneurs also find Basecamp to be a powerful ally. While the pricing structure might seem geared towards teams, Basecamp offers a free tier for one project, and its paid plans are structured to be affordable for individuals and very small teams as well. For a freelancer managing multiple client projects, Basecamp provides the structure and organization needed to stay on top of deadlines, communicate effectively with clients, and keep all project-related information in one accessible place. It helps them project a professional image and ensures nothing gets lost, even when they're a one-person show. Even non-profit organizations and educational institutions leverage Basecamp for their project management needs. The platform's ease of use and affordability make it an attractive option for organizations with limited budgets and a need for efficient, transparent collaboration. They use it to coordinate events, manage volunteer initiatives, develop curricula, and streamline internal communications. What unites all these diverse users? It's often a shared desire for a less chaotic, more human way of working. Basecamp's design philosophy emphasizes a calmer, more focused approach, moving away from constant notifications and real-time pressure. This resonates with teams that value thoughtful communication, clear expectations, and a healthy work-life balance. Many users actively choose Basecamp because they've experienced the downsides of other, more feature-heavy tools that can lead to information overload and burnout. They seek Basecamp's all-in-one but not all-encompassing approach, providing essential tools without unnecessary bloat. In essence, Basecamp is for anyone who believes that effective project management shouldn't be complicated. It's for teams that prioritize clear communication, organized information, and a streamlined workflow. It's for those who want to spend less time managing the tools and more time doing the actual work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.